One of the commonly used tools to communicate in Enlight is the discussion forum tool. Discussion forums may be used for general discussions about course material, or for very pointed discussions on a certain concept or topic. To find the discussion forums in your course, select the discussion forum tile on the main page in your course. Select the tile to the forum you are looking for. If there is only one tile, select this tile. You should now see all the discussions currently occurring in your course. Select the discussion forum you wish to contribute to or read. Read through all the threads in the post. If you wish to discuss any thread, select the reply button below the thread. A text box should appear. Enter your reply and select Submit. If you wish to reply privately, select the Reply Privately box. At times, you might like to share a file in a discussion forum. This might include an image or a document. Ensure that you are in the correct discussion forum. Select Reply on the thread you wish to upload to. Select Advanced, which you will find under the text input box. You now have more input options in the thread, including both text and attachment. To add a file, simply drag and drop it from its current location on your computer into the attachment box. When upload is complete, you will see a thumbnail of your file. You will now need to add some text about your image in the message box. To post to the discussion forum, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Post to Forum. You will now see your file displayed in the forum post. While using Enlight, you might need to send a message to your facilitator or other farmers in your program. To do this, find the message icon, which can be found next to your name in the top right-hand corner of the page. Select the icon. Find the See All link at the bottom of the drop-down menu and select it. You are now on the Messages page of Enlight. Enter the name of the person you are hoping to contact in the search bar and select the search icon. Select the person that you are trying to contact. You will only be able to message people who are completing the same course as you. A message block will appear. Type in your message and select the Send button. You can view all your messages, both those you have sent and received, under the Private menu on this Messages page.